In this video, we'll apply the intersection of line segments for a more complex task, the intersection of rectangles. Let's create the rectangle class. Let's add the line segments that it consists of. I put all this in a separate method in case we have to change something in the rectangle. Let's move on to the intersection. We are intersecting each line segment of this rectangle with each line segment of another rectangle. And we are returning the array of points if there are any. Let's test it and practice. To do this, we need a drawing method. Creating rectangles and drawing them immediately. We are intersecting them each with each other and marking the intersection points. Let's look at the results. It seems to be true. In the next video, we'll put this into practice.